Hello friends, today we discuss about substrate and product inhibition. First is substrate inhibition. In substrate inhibition, there is a progressive decrease in activity at high substrate concentration. This may indicate the existence of two substrate binding sites in the enzyme. At low substrate, the high affinity site is occupied and follow the normal kinetics. However, at higher concentration, the second inhibitory site is occupied, inhibiting the enzyme. Next is product inhibition. Product inhibition is a type of enzyme inhibition where the accumulated product of the enzyme reaction binds to the active site of enzyme and inhibit its activity. This can be important in the regulation of metabolism as a form of negative feedback controlling metabolic pathways. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thanks a lot.